we shall learn how to represent a linear equation in two variable in a graph paper or graphical representation of a linear equation in two variable. You know, this is an equation in two variable, x plus y is equal to 4. This equation is a linear equation. We have two variables. और अभी हमने क्या किया, हमने देखा जैसा कि हमने कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में भी देखा था कि इस इक्वेशन के लिए हमने x की कुछ वैल्यूज़ रखी और हर x की वैल्यू के लिए हमने y की कुछ वैल्यू पता करी. x इज इक्वल टू 0 देन y इज इक्वल टू 4. हमने कैसे लिया इसको, अगर हम इक्वेशन में x इज इक्वल टू 0 रख दें तो y इज इक्वल टू 4 मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1 इन इक्वेशन वी विल गेट y is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to minus 1 in equation, we shall get y is equal to 5. If we put x is equal to 2, then we will get y is equal to 4. Now we have coordinates 0, 4, 1, 3, minus 1, 5, and 2, 2. These are the points that we have. Now all these points or all these ordered pair are the solution of this equation. So now we shall draw these points on a Cartesian plane or graph paper like this. In chapter 3 you have learned how to plot the points on a graph sheet. You know, this is our axis, this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is origin. X dash, horizontal axis is called x axis, the vertical axis is called y axis, y and y dash. The point of intersection of both axes is called origin. Now first point is 0, 4. Now where is 0? If we take this as 1 unit or 1 inch or 1 centimeter, whatever you want to take, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. On y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. On negative side of x-axis, from left, from O, अगर हम origin से left की तरफ जाएं, we shall get negative numbers like this, -3, -4. और इसी तरह अगर वर्टिकल एक्सेस y पर O से नीचे आए तो हमें नेगेटिव नंबर मिलेंगे -2, -3, -4, and -5. I am using the pen to draw the plot, but I always advise you that use a pencil. Whenever you are drawing a graph or you are using graph paper, you have to make a drawing on graph paper, use a pencil. But I am using a pen so that you can see easily. All the points and the lines are easily visible to you. Now, first of all, we have to plot the point 0, 4. The first coordinate is called x coordinate or abscissa, and second coordinate is called y coordinate or ordinate. So this is 0 and 4. This represent x and this represent y. Now 0 towards x axis we have to move 0. It means हमें ओरिजिन पे ही रहना है क्योंकि हमें बढ़ना ही नहीं है. 0 मतलब जरा भी यूनिट हमें आगे नहीं बढ़ना है. And towards y axis we have to move 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our point. For this point, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 4. 1, 3. It means x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. तो 1 x की तरफ बढ़े इधर और 3 मतलब ऊपर की तरफ 3 स्टेप या 3 यूनिट गए. तो 1, 2, 3. The corresponding y axis shows 3 and corresponding x axis shows 1. So this point is 1, 3. Always make a circle around the point like this. Then -1, 5. X axis, x coordinate -1. It means we have to move -1, 5. -1. It means we have to move one unit towards left of origin O and then 5 unit towards y-axis, positive y-axis. Now positive y-axis means towards upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is -1, 5. This point is this 2, 2, 2, and 2. So this represents 2, 2. This represents 1 and 3. This point represents 0, 4, and this point represents -1, 5. Now we have 4 points. Now what we have to do? Just join these points with a scale or ruler. Join these points, and this is the line that is the graphical representation of linear equation in two variable x plus y is equal to 4. You know, when we are representing this equation in a graph paper, we are getting a line. This is a line. That's why these equations are called linear equations. Why? Because the graphical representation of these line is a line. These equations is a line. That's why this equation is called linear equation in two variable x and y. So this is how we can plot the points and make a line for a given linear equation. करना क्या है? सिंपल है, हमें x और y कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने हैं, यानी पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं. किसी भी इक्वेशन में आप y इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 1, y इज इक्वल टू -1 या फिर x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 1 या x इज इक्वल टू -1, किसी भी एक कोऑर्डिनेट की कुछ वैल्यूज़ रख लीजिए. इस कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए अगर हम कुछ वैल्यू रखते हैं तो दूसरे पॉइंट के लिए कुछ हमें वैल्यू मिल जाएंगी. अगर हमने x इज इक्वल टू 1 रखा तो y इज इक्वल टू समथिंग मिल जाएगा, x इज इक्वल टू 2 रखा तो y इज इक्वल टू समथिंग मिल जाएगा. अपनी ओर से हम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं और हमें कुछ पॉइंट मिल जाएंगे. हमें 2 या 3 पॉइंट ढूंढने हैं. ये 3 पॉइंट जब मिल जाएँ तो इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को हमें जोड़ के एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देनी है. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ वी कैन फाइंड अ लाइन फॉर अ गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशन. Now let's take another equation. The equation is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So 2x plus y is equal to 3. Now for this equation we find few coordinates. If we put x is equal to 1 in this equation, we shall find y is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to 2 in this equation, so 2 to the 4, then y is equal to 3 minus 4, that will give -1. If I put x is equal to 0 in this equation, then this becomes 0 and y is equal to 3. So I got 3 points like 1, 1, 2, -1 and 0, 3. These are the 3 points that I got from this equation. Now I shall draw these equations, these points on a graph sheet. For that I will draw the Cartesian plane or axis, x-axis and y-axis. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Now first point is 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. So x is 1 like this and y is 1 like this. This is first point. हम चाहें तो इससे पहले यहाँ पर अपने नंबर्स को भी लिख सकते हैं. +1, 2, 3, 4. This will be -1, -2, -3. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. In coordinate geometry, third chapter, you have studied about this. That this quadrant, in this quadrant, both the coordinates are positive. In this quadrant, first coordinate is negative, second is positive. In third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, first coordinate is positive and second is negative. Now what is our first point? That is 1, 1. It will come here. What is second point? 2, -1. 2 and -1. This is y coordinate or ordinate. So -1 will become here towards this side, 1 and 2. This is -1. 2 x coordinate, -1 y coordinate. So 2, -1. This and 0, 3. It means towards x-axis 0, it means on origin, and towards y-axis is 3, so 1, 2 and 3. So this is our third point. Now what we have to do, just join these points and we'll get a line, and this line shows the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. This line is the graphical representation of this equation. That's all.